Welcome back to Hollman International. Today we are extremely proud to present to you yet another exclusive car from our showroom. Standing right next to me is the Brabus G900. Based on the Mercedes-Benz G65 AMG, this is one of only 10 cars built worldwide, so it can't get more limited than that. As many of you know, earlier this year Mercedes-Benz launched the new G-classes with facelift. However, among this range there is no G65. Therefore, this 12-cylinder car remains not one of, but the most powerful G-Class that Mercedes-Benz has ever built. This car we have here, however, has an even higher boosted engine with 900 horsepower, which we will see in a moment. Everything on this car has been torn apart and put together again, modified by Brabus. From the exterior to the interior to under the bonnet and the suspension, which we cannot see, everything has been updated. One of the things we will notice first is this extra big carbon fiber bonnet over here. The whole thing is actually extremely light despite looking very big and heavy. And one of the characteristics you will find is the extra large air intakes in order to support the extra large engine underneath. Over towards the side, you will see that this car features a lot of carbon fiber features over here, here, and also on the side. These wheels down here. Not only are these Brabus wheels, but inside these are also specially designed Brabus brakes. This is because that with 900 horsepower you will need a stronger brake in order to stop the beast. Now, if we move slightly towards the back, we will see that there are two slanted exhaust pipes over here. These are identical on the other side, and these together form the Brabus valve-controlled exhaust system, which means that as a driver, you can control how loud the car is. You can make it loud, but also extra loud. Now, if we have a look at the interior of this car, you will see that every gadget possible has been updated. Not only do we have the Brabus fine leather on here, on the front dials, the complete surface, but we also have the Brabus 900 emblem here on the headrest, contrast stitching, as well as these quilted fine leather. On the middle here, as mentioned before, we have the suspension button, which allows you to adjust from soft to hard. And all of these have also been updated with Brabus 900 emblems. the rear cabin of the car. As you can see, it has extra large space, but also a special middle console. This middle console is developed by Brabus specifically for the G900, and you will not find it in any other model over here. Here we have the touchpad to control everything from seating, temperature, to massage, to lighting, and under here we have the picnic tables, which are also exclusive to the Brabus middle console developed for the G-Class. At the front here you have the slots for putting in your drinks, and you can go from cold drinks to warm drinks. And at the front there's an induction phone charger for your smartphone.